Hello guys! Welcome to my mini vlog. So maraming nag-a-ask kung ano yung itsura ng house namin before the renovation. So meron din akong YouTube channel na nagsho-show ko ano yung itsura ng 18 square meter namin na bahay before. So yung CR namin is maliit lang siya dito sa gilid. And then yung hagdan is maliit lang siya and isa lang din yung loft bed. And yung kitchen is may countertop. So, sa ipapagawa namin na renovated na bahay is wala na siyang countertop. And this is the inspirational design. Yung apartment na pinapaupahan namin, mas marami na siyang storage, additional loft bed, mas malawak yung space, and wala na tong countertop. And mas malaki na rin yung bathroom. So, once matapos na yung house renovation, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung before and after. And by the way guys, itong apartment na to is occupied na siya. So wala na kaming available as of the moment na apartment for rent. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks be to God.